Hi, so I've just put in together a little video about how we can help dental anxiety here at the practice. So this is going to be really useful for you if you're a nervous patient or you've suffered from dental anxiety in the past. One of the most common reasons that people don't attend the dentist is that they're scared or they're anxious due to something that may have happened in the past, or just simply due to a fear of needles, or just a phobia of being in the dental chair. So loads and loads of different reasons why patients feel nervous about visiting the dentist. But the problem is if you don't attend the dentist, then your oral health issues are just going to worsen over time, and then you're going to end up in a lot worse situation you would have been if you'd just come in on a regular basis. So we're very aware of this here at the practice, and we do loads and loads and loads of things here to help nervous patients reduce their anxiety. And I'm going to go through the top 5 ways that we do that. So first of all of our dentists and staff here are highly trained at dealing with nervous patients. So from the welcoming reception team to the nurses and the dentists, everybody is really skilled at reading how patients are feeling, and then responding to nervous patients and making them feel at ease. They're all really, really well trained and have a vast amount of knowledge about anxious and pain-phobic patients, and then they can put lots and lots of different behavioural management techniques into place to help support those. Okay, secondly, we're really proud to offer a wonderfully welcoming practice that doesn't feel like a dental surgery. When you come here, it feels more like you're attending a beautician's appointment. The welcoming reception area where there is a massage chair and a TV screen and a drink station are all designed to put patients at ease and actually give them something to do in the waiting room where they're not focusing on the treatment they're about to have. Our friendly staff are there as well to chat to them and make everybody feel super welcome and really, really at ease, rather than sitting there nervous about the treatment that they're about to encounter. Okay, number 3, communication is really important during this process. So we encourage any patients that feel nervous or anxious to let us know straight away so that we can accommodate and do whatever we can to relax them. Any requests can be catered for. So for example, if you don't like waiting in the waiting area because it brings up that anxiety, then you can be brought straight through to the surgery for your treatment. You just need to let us know. Also, in every single surgery above the chair, there's a flat screen. So the patient just needs to communicate with the dentist and let them know what they might like to watch in order to take their mind off the treatments being performed, or they could actually just listen to some relaxing music through some headphones. Again, this just needs to be communicated, and if this is done, as I say, any request that the patient may have, we can adhere to, we can help them with that. And on the reverse side of that communication, dentists are absolutely amazing here at communicating with the patients as well. So every step of the way during the procedure, everything's explained. It's always explained why the dentist is doing something, what they're going to do next, and we find that this really helps. Even patients that aren't nervous, it really helps to put them at ease. They know what's going on, and they're getting explained every step of the way what they're sort of experiencing and what's going on in their mouth. Patients are also encouraged to take as many breaks as they want simply by raising the hand. That communicates to the dentist that they want to take a break, and this can be accommodated at any step in the procedure, or if the patient's feeling at all uncomfortable, they are just encouraged to communicate. So the two-way communication here is amazing, and we feel that really helps with nervous patients. Okay, number 4, we actually have some technological devices here which reduce pain. So for example, one of the classic things, the most common things that we get asked if patients can have use of is the dental wand. So the dental wand is a delivery of the anaesthetic in a controlled manner. It's computer controlled, so it stops the anaesthetic being delivered too quickly, and that's actually what can cause the pain when someone's having an injection. One of the most common reasons why people say they're scared of the dentist is they're scared of needles. So the dental wand actually takes this part of the phobia away, and by removing the pain of the injection, and it then therefore takes away the anxiety of the patient thinking that the needle is actually going to hurt. And then once that's done and everywhere is numbed up, then everything is pain-free after that anyway. And finally, number 5, we actually offer sedation here at this practice. Now this is for extremely anxious patients. We can actually offer them a sedation. This is where the patient is really relaxed in like a dreamlike state. They're not actually put to sleep, so they are awake and they're conscious, but because they're so relaxed, it takes away all of that anxiety and all of the worry and all of the stress surrounding the procedure. It comes in a variety of different forms, so it can be intravenous, it can be inhaled, and so again, if that's something that you would be interested in, we could talk to you, the dentist could talk to you at length about which option would be best for you. And it just basically means that the dental surgery is performed on the patient in a stress and worry-free way. So if that's something that you would be interested in having, then you just need to let us know. So dental anxiety is such a common thing. It's probably more common than you even realise. And we're really proud to say here that this surgery is dental phobia certified, which means we tick all the boxes for dealing with nervous patients, helping to reduce anxiety, not just in patients that are nervous, but in everybody that walks through the door. We want them to feel relaxed, we want them to feel welcome. We want them to feel at ease, we want them to enjoy having their treatment, we want this to be a positive experience. So we have many things. These are just a few of the things that we do, the main things that we do to help reduce anxiety when visiting us and actually make it an enjoyable experience. If you have any further questions, if you're a nervous patient, or if you just want to know anything about what we do here, or if you're just interested in paying us a visit, then give us a call or get in touch on social media. We hope to see you soon.